The program doesn't end when week 10 ends. In many ways, that's when the real work begins. Your role as facilitator shifts from organizing sessions to supporting accountability. Here's what I recommend for follow-up. First, within the first week after the program, send a congratulatory email to all participants. Thank them for completing the program. Remind them of their 30-day action plan from week 10. Include the link to the Expedition Money community and the Worry to Wealth group if they haven't joined it yet. Second, schedule a 1-month check-in. This can be an in-person gathering, a virtual meetup, or even just an email that asks, how's your 30-day plan going? What's your first win? Where are you stuck? That check-in serves two purposes. It keeps people accountable, and it catches anyone who's fallen off the wagon early enough to get them back on. Third, consider a 3-month reunion. 90 days out, some participants will have eliminated their first debt. Some will have built their emergency fund. Some will have setbacks and need encouragement. A simple gathering, coffee, and conversation can reignite momentum and remind people they're not alone. Fourth, stay connected. If you have a newsletter or email list, include occasional financial wellness content. Share wins from the program with permission. Mention upcoming cohorts. Keep the topic alive in your community so that financial health stays on people's radar and new participants hear about the next round. And that brings me to the last point. Run it again. The best facilitators run from Worry to Wealthy as an ongoing program, 2 or 3 cohorts per year. Each cohort brings in new participants, and graduates from previous cohorts often come back as table leaders. The cycle of learning, growing, and then giving back is how you build a culture of financial wellness in your community. It stops from being a one-time event and becomes part of who you are. Thank you for taking this on. What you're about to do, creating a space where people can be honest about their money, giving them real tools, and walking beside them for 10 weeks, that's a profound gift. Not everyone will make it all the way through. Not everyone will do the homework. But the ones that do, their lives will never be the same. And you made that possible. If you have any questions at any point, reach out to us at Expedition Money. We're here to support you. Now, go change some lives.